Look up at the sky, ask it why are you all so afraid?
Everyone's wondering how I feel about being up at 4 a.m. Actually, I got up at 3:30, and so now it's like 4:30 and we're waiting. We went to drop off Ollie, which was sad because I miss him. And now I'm just waiting. Yeah.
Good morning, Andrews Reads. I also woke up at 3:30, but I am a morning person, so I'm super excited. We're at my parents' house waiting. There's Andrew. And yeah, let's get it.
Here's our suitcase. This side is Seth's side, my fiance, if you don't know. And look how colorful it is. Like, he's just ready for vacation, right? Then we have some random stuff, and my side, which is just dark and neutral and just not, you know, really bright, except this one tie-dye shirt and this like flower one. But that's it, because that is literally the difference between us. I like the dark colors, and Seth is like very colorful.
You know,
Texas.
you gotta come to Buc-ee's on a road trip, vacation. It's not vacation without the beaver.
What's up, guys? It's Sean. I'm Andrew's future brother-in-law. I'm going to Mexico.
We're on the plane.
We made it. We're lucky because we got to sit next to each other, and she went on the plane before me, so you know.
Yep.
Show 'em.
And there's Sean. Wait.
Parents made it behind us.
I wasn't showing him. Hello guys, we have made it to Cancun. I totally forgot to vlog earlier because I was literally just so like caught up in my first time ever flying and my first time ever being out of the country and all that stuff. And obviously we were swimming all day in the water and stuff. So tomorrow I'll give you a better view of like the room and like our scenery, because it's really pretty, but it's kind of dark now. But I just wanted to check in and say we made it. Also, I finished one book on the plane and started another book, so I'm also reading a lot so far. So we'll see how it goes as we get through the week, but so far I've been reading a lot. So yeah, there's Seth.
What to do? Andrews Reads.
Andrews Reads. I love that he calls my channel Andrews Reads. Okay. So guys, we're doing some shopping at some stores like around our hotel right now. Seth got a Corona and I got some water. What?
Someone save me. It's hot as fuck in Mexico. Oh, this is Sean, by the way. Got water. Gonna go to the beach.
Lightning.
Found a Starbucks right by our hotel, which we might have to try one day this week because that seems pretty cool. Hey guys, so we came to another hotel that's like connected to ours so we can go to their beach too. And we lucked out because ours has a bunch of seaweed right now and theirs doesn't, so it's so pretty. I will show you guys. But reading update for the first time this entire vlog, I have finished 3 books while I've been on, no, 2 books, sorry, while I've been on vacation. I finished Vicious by V.E. Schwab on the plane, and then I also finished my reread of Throne of Glass on audiobook, and I started Twice Shy, so we're doing pretty good in the reading department. But let me show you the water. The water is so blue, it's so pretty. We're about to go swim. I've never seen a water this pretty before until now, so I'm very excited.
Stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all all kinds of things. The mountain sunk hills, sky color schemes. Makes
Good morning vlog. Andrea is still asleep, but I just thought I'd show you. It's 7 a.m. here in Cancun. This is our view. And actually tomorrow, my finger got in the way. Actually tomorrow, we are going to that island over there for an excursion. So I'm pretty excited about that. I kind of just took over the vlog. I don't know why, but I like it.
you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the
Hello, it's windy. My hair's a mess. Kind of just went snorkeling, but that was an adventure. And now we're just like on this catamaran, going to a different island and stuff. But let me show you the water because it's so pretty.
endless roads to the horizon, past the oasis, it's all behind you. Mirage of agua, the stars above you, the creatures' days to nocturnal days. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder, satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life, the simple times in the Arizona thunder, the Arizona thunder tonight.
So this is our view, guys. It was nice while it lasted. It looks so pretty. Hey guys. I haven't been recording a lot because I've just been enjoying the vacation with my fiance and his family. But today is our last day and we are going to be leaving today, which is very sad because it's so pretty here. The water is so beautiful. In Texas, where I live, we don't have blue water like that. So it's really cool. I've never seen water like that until now, and it was just so fun. But we're about to go check out, and our flight is later this afternoon, so we're getting ready to go. I am almost done with Twice Shy. I'm more than halfway through, so I'm happy that I actually got some reading in because I wasn't sure. But also, I'm hoping to finish that today on the plane and maybe start another book, probably Vengeful, because I want to read the sequel to Vicious. Goodbye to our gorgeous view and the water.